How thin and strong is the line between the outworld and housing, which we call windows? They allow people to look, breathe, protect from cold and noise, let in the light and charm of each day. Glass is increasingly used in architecture with the expectation of professionalism and skill of producers of double-glazed windows. The group of companies EuroWindows occupies a leading position on the Belarusian market of windows and doors from PVC and aluminum. Since 2003, the company has earned high consumer confidence due to the execution at its own production site of diverse customer preferences, the implementation of high volumes within short time frames, as well as reliability, quality, and environmental safety of products. An order taking starts out as a consultation. There are both consultant experts and technician engineers on the staff for this very purpose. The showroom offers full-size samples for convenient selection, including new items, lifting and sliding systems, as well as entrance doors of various configurations. The agreed order is referred to the production plant. The area of 8,000 square meters comprises modern lines, ultra-precise programs, multi-level quality control. Hardware of European brands is used. All manipulations with glass occur on the automatic line of the Austrian group LISEC, a half-century leader in the field of innovative processing and assembly of products made of flat glass. Waste reduction during cutting lessens the item's cost, increasing their competitiveness. To create the best sealing inside a double-glazed window, the contour of the distance-type frame is made by bending, which will become the primary frame and protects the empty space of the double-glazed window from condensation and moisture. The principle of the double-glazed windows line implies quality, which is one of the sources of ironclad guarantee of the company to customers and implies high performance of sound insulation and energy saving. EuroWindows plastic windows are made from profile systems of world brands on two automatic German lines of the Filmtech company. An automatic cutting center with a digital control system sets each working parameter with a high degree of accuracy. When milling and drilling, the CNC-controlled processing machine adapts flexibly to any type of PVC profiles. Corner welds executed on robotic systems with fitted-out 4 robots with automatic welding kits are made so thoroughly that there is no need in grinding of the welded corners. As a result, both quality and appearance are perfect, and the repeatability of the result is absolute. Lamination of a profile of window systems will allow to emphasize the sophistication of style of a facade, to place accents in an interior. For this purpose, the films of the German company Renovation, which for 30 years has been holding the world superiority in the appealingness of colors, embossing and effectiveness of protective properties are used. The company fulfills orders of international developers of residential and commercial real estate who appreciate innovative solutions and prefer custom-made modular facades and architectural glazing. The work is carried out on German automatic equipment Alumitech based on Alusoft programs using aluminum systems of world leaders Schuco and Alutech. About 1,000 products per day are produced by the group of companies EuroWindows. These are translucent structures, windows, entrance units, stained glass windows, office partitions. One of the current trends in the entrance doors, whose technical feeling, shape and color are elements of inexhaustible design possibilities. Our partners appreciate us for the use of the highest quality materials and the best technologies, the level of professional skill and qualification of experts. Our products meet all Belarusian and international standards: heat and sound insulation, air tightness. In addition to public and residential projects, EuroWindows products are exported to Russia, Canada, Africa, Germany, and the USA. We love what we do, which is embodied in the fineness of buildings, comfort of interiors, health and good mood of their owners. Window Systems EuroWindows entails quality of living.